Welcome to Amabestchoice.com. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of kitchen innovation as we unveil the top 5 best blenders available on Amazon. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your blending game, we've got you covered.
Number 1.
The GE Blender Kitchen Essentials blender stands out as a powerhouse in the realm of kitchen blenders. With its robust 1000-watt motor, it effortlessly tackles various blending tasks. From crushing ice to pureeing frozen fruits with remarkable ease. Its 5 speed settings, including a pulsing option, offer customizable control, ensuring the desired consistency for sauces, soups, or frappé drinks. The generous 64-ounce blender jar allows for efficient batch preparation, accommodating 7 to 9 servings of your favorite beverages or smoothies, making it a time-saving marvel. Engineered with 6 serrated blades and 2 knife-edge blades, this blender excels at breaking down ingredients, extracting optimal flavor and nutrition for delectable blended concoctions. Moreover, its innovative vortex action creates a compelling whirlwind effect, pulling ingredients towards the center for thorough blending, setting it apart as an indispensable tool for any kitchen. The GE Blender Kitchen Essentials blender emerges as a top-notch choice, marrying power, versatility, and efficiency to elevate your blending experience to new heights.
Number 2.
The Ninja BN751 professional blender emerges as a powerhouse within the kitchen, revolutionizing blending experiences. Boasting a remarkable increase in motor power compared to its predecessor, this blender delivers 1,400 peak watts of shear force through its total crushing blades, effortlessly pulverizing ice for smoothies and frozen beverages. Its 3 versatile Auto IQ programs streamline the process, enabling swift creations of smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient-rich extractions with a mere touch. The Auto IQ technology removes the guesswork, employing intelligent pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. The substantial 72-ounce total crushing pitcher caters to large batches, perfect for family gatherings, while the inclusion of 2 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids ensures on-the-go convenience for those hectic days. Moreover, the addition of a 15-recipe inspiration guide elevates creativity, offering a myriad of blending possibilities. The Ninja BN751 professional blender undoubtedly secures its spot as an indispensable kitchen companion, effortlessly combining power, convenience, and versatility.
Number 3.
The Nutribullet Full-Size Blender combo is an absolute game-changer for any kitchen. Its versatility is unmatched, offering both a multi-serving pitcher and single-serve cup, catering to various portion sizes with ease. With 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and the extract program, it provides seamless control at the touch of a button, empowering users to craft smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, and more. Boasting 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly tackles an extensive range of recipes. The inclusion of a 64 ounces blender pitcher, 32 ounces cup, 24 ounces handled cup, and to-go lids enhances its adaptability. The stainless steel easy twist extractor blade, coupled with cyclonic action, ensures efficient blending. Cleanup is a breeze as the BPA-free pitcher and cups are dishwasher safe, while the extractor blades require simple soap and water rinsing. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty and built to North American electrical standards, this blender is a kitchen essential that elevates convenience, performance, and durability, making it an exceptional choice for blending enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike.
Number 4.
The Ninja BL642 blender stands as a powerhouse within the kitchen, boasting a 1,200-watt motor that effortlessly tackles the toughest ingredients, turning ice into snow within seconds for velvety frozen drinks, smoothies, and flavorful sauces. Its pro extractor blades ensure thorough breakdowns of fruits, veggies, ice, and seeds, extracting maximum nutrients and vitamins while minimizing wastage. The Auto IQ technology simplifies blending with intelligent programs, employing precise patterns for optimal results without guesswork. Its generous 72 ounces total crushing pitcher accommodates large family-sized batches, complemented by 3 single-serve cups with spout lids for convenient on-the-go options. Noteworthy is its user-friendly cleanup. All components are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Additionally, the included 75 recipe inspiration guide jumpstarts creativity, making it an all-inclusive blender that offers both power and convenience. making it an ideal kitchen companion for blending enthusiasts seeking versatility and ease of use.
Number 5.
The Breville Fresh and Furious Blender is an unparalleled powerhouse in the kitchen, seamlessly combining robust power with remarkable versatility. Its 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings cater to various needs, effortlessly crafting smoothies, green blends, and crushing ice to perfection. This blender doesn't just blend, it transforms tasks with its hemisphere performance. Crushing ice to snow-like consistency, aerating for creamy textures, and even handling some food processing duties. Compatibility with the VAC-Q, though sold separately, elevates textures and flavors by removing air from the jug before blending. Its quiet yet highly efficient blending capabilities stem from a high-torque motor and precision-engineered stainless steel blades that retain sharpness for extended use. The intuitive LCD display empowers users with precise control, while the innovative Breville Assist lid, with its unique ring pull design, ensures ease of use and a secure seal during operation. Undoubtedly, the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender stands as a top-tier choice, a harmonious blend of power, versatility, and user-friendly features, making it an essential kitchen companion for culinary enthusiasts.